Good evening, Fonny.
Hi, good evening, Gisela.
What are you doing?
I am watching a movie,
What is the title of the movie?
Home Alone.
Who are the main cast members of Home Alone?
Magically talking as Kevin Callister, Jay Paskin as Harry, Daniel Stern as Marvel, Catherine O'Hara is Kate Castelling.
What is the brief storyline of Home Alone?
The movie follows 8 years old Kevin Callister, who is actually left behind when his family goes on a Christmas vacation. Alone at home, Kevin defeats his host from two burglaries, Harry and Marvin, as Sinclair traps.
What are the names of the poor class?
Harry and Marv, alias known as the Wet Bitted.
Why, why is Kevin left home alone?
Kevin is forget Kevin is forget by his family in the rush to catch the rear flag. They did not realize his missing until they are already on the plane.
Who is the main actor in Home Alone?
Macaulay Culkin, who plays Kevin Callister.
Why do Harry and Marv choose Kevin's house to rob?
They believe Kevin's house in the luggage and hot foul items. The hours know the family is away on vacation.
What lesson does Kevin learn during the move?
Kevin learns the importance of family, responsibility, bravery, and the flow of being together with loved ones during the holiday season.
How does the move end?
Kevin's family returns home just in time for Christmas. They celebrate together, and Harry and Marv are arrested by the police.
What is the first trap that Kevin used to fight Harry and Marv?
Kevin has the dark knob white and electric girl, causing Harry to burn his head when he tries to open the door.
Okay, thank you, Fanny.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.